Are you looking for peace, quiet and serenity on just under 1 acre of property? Then look no further. This 3-bedroom 2-full-bath rancher is in very good condition. The sellers recently had the house professionally painted and new carpeting installed. The master bed has a private master bath with an oversized walk-in shower and a walk-in closet. You have a nice sized living room, with stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. The microwave is brand new too. Off the kitchen is the family room and large laundry room. The HVAC is approximately 1 year old and there is also a whole house generator. There is a tankless HVAC and a water treatment system. An added bonus is the huge full unfinished basement with a French drain and sump pump. This could be finished off for additional living space. There is a huge stand-up attic that is the full size of the attic. Outside features a very nice deck, LeafFilter.